Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to navigate to multiple web pages using the Internet Explorer object or the web browser control. Now in previous videos I have showed how to navigate to a web page and get information from the web page, but I've never really showed how to loop, that way you can see multiple web pages. Now in this video the only thing I'm going to show is how to navigate to a page one by one, and when the first one loads, it waits for the page to load before proceeding to the next page. Now in the next video I'm going to show how to navigate through multiple web pages and search for a certain string, and it'll give you results on whether or not that string was found. So again, in this video I'm only going to show how to navigate to pages one by one, not look for a string and give you any kind of results. It's just to go through a page and wait for the page to load. So I've already added a button to the bottom that says navigate pages. I'm going to create a macro for that because I need to assign a macro to it first. So I'm going to click macros under my developer tab, select macro, and I'm going to call this one navigate multiple pages, and I'm going to hit create. So first off, we're going to start with E7 and we're going to scroll all the way down to E15. So to make this easy, I'm just going to do a for statement. For rep is equal to 7, starting with row number 7 to 15. Next rep, and we're going to put the URL to retrieve is equal to, and it's going to be again sheet 1, and we're looking at column E. So it's going to be sheet1.range E and the row number, or in this case the repetition statement. And what we're going to do, I'm going to copy some code from our previous tutorial, and that's where we create the Internet Explorer application. So I'm going to put that in the beginning. Here we're just doing dim IE as object or Internet Explorer, and we're setting a variable IE to be the Internet Explorer application, and all we're doing is making it visible. So here we're going to put, after URL to retrieve, we're going to put IE.navigate. We're going to go to the URL. I'm going to copy and paste this. We're going to do URL to retrieve, and all we're going to do is wait for the page to load. Do events loop until IE.readyState is equal to 4, and 4 just means complete. And all this is going to do is just go through the windows, go through the URLs with the same window one by one, and just to do message box done when it's completed. So I'm going to go back to my page, my worksheet, and right click that, do assign macros, and we're going to go on and activate the navigate multiple pages macro to this button. So let's just go on and try this out. And here it goes. There's CNN. Next one's Yahoo. Then BBC. Oh, we're still waiting for the page to load. Alright, there's the Huffington Post. And we're still waiting. I don't see anything happening here, so let me go on and look at the Visual Basic environment. I'm going to hit pause. Yeah, it's still waiting for the page to load. Alright, there you go, the page loaded. Probably took a while for a script to load, so sometimes that may happen. Alright, the Fox News. And then the last one should be the Washington Post. So right now it's still, looks like it's still working. And now the Washington Post. Alright, it was a little bit delayed, but nevertheless it did go through. Now this is just a real quick example on how you can go through multiple web pages, wait for the page to completely load before proceeding to the next. In the next video, what I'm going to show is how you can go to each page, look for a certain string, and it will let the user know if the string exists. So that'll be in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for watching.